Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Horenso no Gomaae spinach dressed with sesame sauce. These are what you need. Spinach as much as you like, 2 tablespoons ground sesame, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. And for this dish, it has to be ground sesame. And ground sesame is very easy to find in Japan. You can sometimes find it even at 7-Eleven, but a lot of my guests told me they cannot find the ground one in their country. So if you can't find the ground one, you can just get a sesame seeds and roast it just a little bit to bring out the flavor and then grind. And the portion of sesame, soy sauce, sugar, these three are very easy to remember. No matter how much spinach you have, it's always 2 to 1 to 1. Very easy. 2, 1, 1. So if you have more spinach, you can make more sauce. If you have less spinach, you can make less sauce. So let's get started. Cut the bottom off of the spinach. And cut the spinach into 1 inch or so all the way to the leaf. Then you put this leafy part at the bottom of the strainer and then move on to stalks. I'm doing it because stalks of the spinach takes a little bit longer to cook than the leafy part at the bottom, and I'm going to flip it over into boiling water so the stalks go into the pot first and stay in the hot water just a little bit longer than the leafy part. And while we wait for this water to boil, let's make sesame sauce. 2 tablespoons of ground sesame, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix this all together and this is a sauce. Super easy to make. Boiling water is ready, so I'm just going to cook this in this pot. So let's flip it over. Now, stalks are cooking at the bottom of the pot, but the leafy part is still sticking out from the hot water. And after cooking the stalks for a while, push the leafy part in. And just 10 to 15 seconds. You never want to overcook spinach. So you're not really cooking it, you're just blanching it. This is it. Turn the heat off and drain. And you need to release this in cold water to stop cooking immediately. The spinach is sometimes very harsh or bitter because of the acid it contains, so you're cooling it down to stop cooking, but at the same time you're washing the acid away, so change the water a few times and rinse it well. Okay. The spinach is ready, sauce is ready, so you just need to put them together. But before you do that, you need to squeeze the spinach really well to get all the extra moisture out. So take some and squeeze it. And if you have overcooked spinach here, you will have spinach paste in your hand. So make sure you never overcook the spinach. And using this fast batch, scrape the sauce from the spoon so that you don't waste it. Let's do the rest. Mix this with the sesame sauce. And because it's squeezed, the leafy part of the spinach is kind of lumpy, so try to break it down. It's ready. Let's serve. When you serve this, you want to make it look pretty, so try to create a little Mount Fuji. Try to keep it tall. And it's good to go. This is everything for today. It's so easy, so simple and quick, but this one is everyone's favorite. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!